And welcome to this short morning routine to wake up your body and energize instantly. Let's get started in a wide-legged child's pose, knees wide apart. Big toes together, walk your hands forward. Let the chest, forehead rest on the mat. A few deep breaths in and out your nose. Feel the texture of the mat. One last final breath, inhale deep and full. Then audible sigh out. Ripple forward. Come onto your hands, knees under hips, hands under your shoulders. Cat and cow. Inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, rounding through the spine. Push everything away from you. Three more times at your own pace. Arching as you inhale, rounding as you exhale. Go at your own pace. Waking up your spine. Back to the neutral position as you inhale. Tuck your toes. Sit up on your heels. Maybe gently sway side by side. Opening the soles of our feet. Back to the center. Lift up. With your next breath in, inhale, reach. In cactus, your arms lift your chest up. Push your hips forward. Exhale, round your spine. Hands ahead of you, clasping your fingers. Sit up on your heels. Four more times. Inhale, cactus, your arms lift your chest up. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Exhale to round your spine. Hands ahead of you, away from you. Sitting up on your heels. Inhale, lift up, sissy squats. Option to tuck your toes for stability. Release your hands. As you inhale, lean back, press down through the tops of your feet. Use your quad strength. Squeeze your glutes. Keep hugging the low belly in. Exhale to turn back. Three more times on your own pace. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to go back. Exhale to come forward. One last time. Give your best. Release your hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, bend your knees, send your hips back. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Pedal up your feet. Releasing the back of your legs. Don't aim for straight legs. Just aim for long arms and the spine. Maybe nodding your head for yes or no. Just explore any movement that makes you feel comfortable. Breathing in and out your nose. The next breath in, step your right foot outside of your right hand. Lizard. Step it back. Downward facing dog. Switch the sides. Step your left foot outside of your left hand. Switch it back. Three more times on your own pace. As you step forward, lift your chest up. As you step back, find the stretch in your back body. Go at your own pace, go slow or fast. One final time. As you step your right foot outside of your right hand, reach your right arm up and over with your next breath in. Bend the top elbow. And as you exhale, elbow towards your right ankle. Inhale to open, reach. Exhale to elbow towards the left. Two more times. Inhale. Exhale. One final time. Exhale. Inhale, open the arm this time. Release your right hand to the mat. Step your right foot back. One full breath cycle here. Step your left foot to the outside of your left hand. Reach your left arm up and over. One full breath cycle. Bend the top arm. Inhale, exhale. Elbow towards the ankle. Three more times. As you inhale, feel your chest open, extend your arm, and release with your next exhale to the mat. Step the left foot back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a couple of cleansing breaths here. Inhale deep and full. Exhale, release, let go. Ripple forward with your next breath in, plank. You're welcome to release your knees. Spread the fingers nice and wide, tuck your tailbone. One full breath cycle here. As you exhale, bend your arms, Chaturanga. You're welcome to modify Chaturanga by lowering your knees down. Keep hugging the lower belly in. Come all the way down onto your bellies. For broken wings pose, extend the left arm to the side. Place your left ear onto the mat. Hold on to your left side of your body. Right hand right ahead of you. Make sure not rolling in. Option to bend the bottom knee. Stay here. If you want to go deeper, bend the top leg as well. Keep opening the knee to the side. Just find a sweet spot. Right here. Release. Gently ease onto your bellies. Save the fat. Extend the right arm. And on the right side. Option to bend the bottom leg or bend both legs. Breathing into the front right side of your chest and shoulder. One more final breath. Roll onto your bellies. Take your time. Coming into swings. Lift your chest up by gently pressing the elbows away from the mat. Tuck your chin. Keep pressing the pubic bone, hips to the mat. One more final breath. Ease out of the pose. Find any cross-legged or Vajrasana variation. Well, take a few moments here to notice how your body is feeling in terms of energy and ease. That was the today's practice. Pray your hands at your heart, bobbing forwards, my heart to your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for your time and energy. If you have enjoyed this practice, support this channel by subscribing and liking this video. See you and take care.